If your hair is stubborn, you've tried everything but your hair won't grow. If your hair is shedding, thinning, or breaking a lot, then this DIY hair growth recipe might be all that you need. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video because there are a lot out there that you could have watched, but I decided to stop here today. So one of my natural ingredients for this powerful DIY hair growth spray is rosemary herbs. What I really do love about rosemary herbs, aside the fact that it's a very powerful natural ingredient, is the fact that you can easily find this in any grocery store or any market. The price is also is very affordable, so anybody can buy this. This powerful natural ingredient can actually help you grow your hair. If you're struggling growing your hair, it is going to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. And hey you all, you know how we do it here, but if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girls some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, click on the bell, so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I added a second natural ingredient, which is thyme. Thyme is really underrated, guys. Thyme is so powerful. So they have a lot of products out there that includes thyme, and one of them is essential oils. If you have any essential oil that has thyme, please don't sleep on it. Be massaging it on your scalp because this powerful natural ingredient can stimulate hair growth. Adding thyme to your DIY hair growth recipes can actually help treat your scalp from dandruff and any other scalp issues that can hinder your hair from growing. So sometimes your hair is not growing and it's all because of your scalp. You might be having issues on that scalp that is actually blocking your follicles. So if you get hair growth spray with thyme and rosemary herbs, it cleanses your scalp, make your scalp area healthy to give way to new healthy hair growth. So aside thyme's antimicrobial property to treat your scalp from scalp issues, it also has antioxidant property that will protect your hair from damage. So if you are going through hair breakage, hair loss, hair thinning, adding thyme to your hair care routine can repair your hair damage. So what I did was I added equal amount of rosemary herbs to equal amount of thyme herbs. After I put the two in a saucepan and I top it with water. You do not have to use any specific measurement for this. It all depends on the quantity you are trying to make. And I always say, if you use natural ingredients for your hair care routine, too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way because there are no chemicals, they are all natural. So I put the two natural ingredients in a saucepan, added some water to it, and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. After that, I'm going to let it sit for a couple of hours to even infuse more. I'm going to use a strainer to strain the water from the two natural ingredients. And this is a beautiful hair growth spray that I got from these two natural ingredients. I'm going to show you the best way to use this in order for you to boost your hair growth. But there are a few tricks I'm going to show you to make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. So this is olive oil. Olive oil is very great when it comes to hair growth and hair care. It protects your hair strands to prevent hair breakage. You don't have to use olive oil. There are a lot of oils out there that you can choose from. There's coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. Choose any plant-based oil that works with your hair. I also love to add essential oils to my hair care routine. Lavender essential oil is one powerful essential oil that can treat your scalp from dandruff and also stimulate hair growth. There are also a lot out there you can choose from. They have rosemary essential oil, thyme essential oil, any essential oil of your choice. I also love to add castor oil to my DIY hair growth spray. Jamaican black castor oil is very powerful. It is a thick oil that can help keep your hair moisturized for a long time. Remember, this DIY hair growth spray is basically water. So you need some kind of oil to help it stay in your hair much longer. So feel free to use any oil of your choice or pick from the ones that I just introduced to you. I did not add it to this recipe at this moment because I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator for some time before using it. But if you are ready to use it, make sure you add some of these ingredients I introduced to you to even make this DIY hair growth spray work better. And you don't need much. A few drops will go a long way. So at this point, my DIY hair growth spray is all ready. I'm just going to put it in the mason jar and leave it in the refrigerator until it is time for me to use it. And when it is time for me to use it, I'm going to make sure to warm it up before putting in my spray bottle. Then I'm going to add my oils and essential oils. What I'm going to do is I spray this on my scalp, on my hair strands, and I massage it in. Massaging your scalp is very important because it helps stimulate blood flow to your scalp. Use this at least 4 times a week. Make sure you follow with a hair moisturizer to keep your hair moisturized and put your hair in a protective hairstyle like twist to lock in the moisture. Be consistent with the use for faster results. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you for watching this video.